Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Today, meeting up with Blake. We're gonna head out on his little Jon Boat again. Try and crank up on some smallies. It's been a while since I fished with him, so it'll be good to get back out on the rig. Without further ado, I'll catch you all out of the water. Made it out to Dayton Public Landing. As you can see, there's Blake right there doing some boat stuff. Yeah, it was weird. Went to Rogers Landing, couldn't get through the gate. Now we are here, which is good because I actually do want to fish the Yamhill a little bit. It's a beautiful day out, hoping to throw some topwater, some senkos, some swim baits, all the 9 yards. So without further ado, let's get the boat in the water, start fishing. All right, I'll meet you down there. Okay. Oh my God. That thing is in the water, dude. Oh God. I think so.
Oh my God. Getting this thing back on. Yeah, it's floating.
Just a good thing about aluminum boats. There we go. All good. All right. You want front? Okay. Oh! No, look at that carp. I thought he was going after my senko, dude.
Oh, dang.
It's a largemouth. What? It's a largemouth? What are you doing here? First fish of the day. Not exactly what I would call a giant, but gotta start somewhere. Oh, nice.
Three-quarter of a pound.
Yeah, that's this one. Bigger than the first one we caught. Had one right in here, dude. I don't know. Looks like some juicy topwater action. That's a pretty cool spook color. Oh, I was filming. Oh,
I missed it.
And that was cool. That's a fish. Hey.
Not big, but it's number 2.
I got one.
Got him? Nice. Oh! July.
Go. No, it's on the... Final.
That's a good one, actually.
Yes!
That's a good fish.
Check it out. I threw a drag and drop on the on a shaky head. That was what this guy hit. That's not a bad one. It's probably a pounder. What do you want to throw him on the scale and find out?
1.4 ounces over here.
Oh, 1 pound 5 ounces. So okay.
That was close.
Nice.
Been around the world, been around the block.
Yes. Thank you. Yes.
Nice.
Oh!
Just came off?
Just came off. Okay, you know what? You know what, mister? I don't appreciate your attitude. Are you done? You done? It's my third one of the day. I didn't even feel the bite, I just saw it. The line moving. All right, midday update for you. We only have 8 fish. It's been really slow, really hard. Pretty much all the bites that we have had have been on like jigs and little like finesse Texas rigs and stuff. It's only noon though, so hopefully sometime soon we can get on either a couple of really good fish or a lot of, you know, decent smaller ones. I don't know. We're just looking for some action.
Okay. Right. Took a break, but we caught another bass on the little nano jig. It's kind of cool. We just saw a school of trout pass by too. Not big, but first sign of life we've seen in a while. Yeah, just another smallmouth, but anything will go right now. All right, we made a run upriver, downriver, or somewhere down, or up or around the river. Oh yeah, if you catch a fish on the first cast, I'll buy you Taco Bell. Bet. What is that? Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't go back there. Ow! You want to die? You want to live? He's like, yes. Yes. Why can't I hook a fish? I'm crying out loud. Oh, that's a big one. Oh my god. Oh, get the net.
Oh my god, it's going for a jump.
You're gonna break your rod.
Yeah. Dude, imagine breaking your rod.
On a stick.
No, on a fucking skeleton.
No, his rod! Oh. Couldn't be me. Okay. That's my, like, 5th one of the day. It says something about how slow the day is going. Decent, maybe. It's actually not that. It's actually not that good.
Not bad.
Come here. Oh, he choked it. Bless you. No, I know. He'll be fine. All right, dude. Oh God. See, he's fine. Yeah, there's another one. He's got a weightless senko on. I wasn't filming, but I actually caught a pretty decent largemouth.
That was a bomb cast.
There's some bass sitting right out here. Or are those bluegill?
Got him.
Yeah? Yes.
Oh my god.
Is it good?
Not bad.
Oh!
No, drop.
Where?
Drop it. Oh shit.
That's a good one. Dude, that's like the biggest of the day. 100%. That's a freaking tank. Here. I'll grab him. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No shot.
No way.
Oh, mine's pretty small. It's a largemouth. All right, you need to chill out for a second, dude.
Whoa.
Boom!
Okay. Holy shit.
All right, well, Blake and I doubled up. Evidently, his fish is nicer than my largemouth, but that is
Oh my god, that's
definitely the best smallmouth of the day.
That's a good smallmouth.
That's a good smallie, dude. Grinded it out. That's a good one.
Not bad.
It's probably 2 pounds. That's a 2-pounder all day, dude.
Oh yeah.
All right, well, I'm gonna let my largemouth go.
Oh my god, look at that.
Sweet. Nice one, Blake. Hey, first double up of the day, too. Oh. I watched him eat that. That's another largie. Oh, good jump. Well, it was a good largie. That was so cool. I saw him eat it. Oh,
That was
oh.
so close.
Running with a little 4-inch cinnamon Yamhill. Ended up pulling this little smallmouth. That's 21 for us for today. Okay, well, little cinnamon senko. Whoa! That's a good jump. Come up here. God damn, he's going ape shit.
Howdy, howdy.
All right, 22. Decent fish. We got the net. Come here. There we go. Yes. Sweet. Thank you. Oh, he just popped off. Okay. That's a pretty good one. It's probably a pound and a half bass. And that's also 23. Yeah. Sweet. Thanks for the net job, Blake. Well, what you think? Is that a good note to end on? Yeah? All right. Well, that's going to wrap it up, guys. Last fish of the day was a pretty decent one, so figured we might as well end it on a high note. Stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a charter fishing video next week, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Should be good fun. Gonna be going out with Ethan and Lewis. Yeah, that was a pretty decent day of fishing. It was honestly, I mean, it was tough. We grinded it out, but we ended up finishing off on a pretty high note with a solid bass. So there's really not much more I can ask for. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. Let's get out of the sun. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more fishing and outdoor content. And as always, I will catch you all on the next fishing adventure. I'm out.